अस्सलाम वालेकुम डेयर। आज की इस वीडियो में हम 11th केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर 7 रिएक्शन काइनेटिक्स की एक्सरसाइज के एमसीक्यूज को सॉल्व करेंगे। तो चलते हैं अपने आज के टॉपिक की तरफ। द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन, फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज है द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इंक्रीज एज रिएक्शन प्रोसीड, decreases as reaction proceed, remains the same as reaction proceed or may decreases or increases as reaction proceed. So there generally the rate of reaction decreases as it proceeds because reactants concentrations diminish over time, leading to a fewer effective collision. However, in rare cases like autocatalysis where a product acts as catalyst, the rate can initially increases before eventually slowing down. लेकिन अगर आप जनरल बात करें तो decreases as reaction proceed. The rate of reaction is decreases as reaction proceed. Next, increasing the temperature of a chemical reaction increases the rate of reaction because both the collision frequency and collision energies of reactants molecule increases. Collision frequency of reactants molecule increases or activation energy increases, and fourth option is activation energy decreases. So there, increasing temperature causes molecule to move faster. This leads to increased collision frequency, means more collision per unit time, and increased collision energy. A large fraction of collision will have energy equal to or greater than the activation energy. Effective collision, both factors यानी increased collision frequency and increased collision energy contribute to a higher reaction rate. So first option is correct. Both the collision frequency and collision energies of reactants molecule increases. Next हमारे पास है थर्ड क्वेश्चन. Consider two reactions with different activation energies at the same temperature. The reactions with the lower activation energy will have smaller rate constant, a larger rate constant, same rate constant, or rate constant that depends on the enthalpy change. So their activation energy is the energy barrier that reactants must overcome to form product. A lower activation energy means that a larger fraction of reactants molecules will possess enough energy to react. This leads to a faster reactions and consequently a large rate constant K at the same temperature. So B option is correct, a larger rate constant. Next 4 MCQs is the order of chemical reaction that is independent of concentration is second order, first, zero, or pseudo first. So there, for a zero order reaction, the rate law is typically written as rate is equal to K into concentration of A raised to the power 0, which simplifies to rate is equal to K. This means the rate of the reaction is constant and does not depend on the concentration of the reactant. So exact answer is zero order reaction. पांचवा MCQs हमारे पास है. On a Boltzmann distribution curve, the area under the curve represent activation energy of the reaction, total number of molecules in the sample, or average kinetic energy of the molecule. Fourth option is rate constant of the reaction. So there, a Boltzmann distribution curve plot the number or fraction of molecule versus their kinetic energy. The entire area under this curve accounts for all the molecules in the sample, representing the total population of molecules distributed across various kinetic energy level. So B option, total number of molecules in the sample, that is correct. Next is on a Boltzmann distribution curve, the activation energy is represented by. So there, the activation energy is specifically threshold energy value. On a Boltzmann distribution curve, it is typically indicated by a vertical line drawn at a particular kinetic energy value on the x-axis. This line separates molecules with insufficient energy from those with enough energy to react. Next is, if we double the concentration of reactant, the rate increase by 4 times. The reaction is second, first, third, or zero. So there, when doubling a reactant's concentration leads to a 4-fold increase in reaction rate, it indicates a second order reactions with respect to that reactants. This is because according to the rate law, rate is equal to K into concentration of A raised to the power n for the rate to increase by 2n times. When concentration doubles, n must be क्या होना चाहिए 2, इसलिए ये आपके पास क्या है सेकंड ऑर्डर होगा अगर आप कंसंट्रेशन की मिकदार को डबल कर दें, रेट इंक्रीज हो जाएगा 4 टाइम्स। नेक्स्ट इज रेट डिटर्मिनिंग स्टेप्स इन ए मल्टी स्टेप रिएक्शन इज ऑलवेज द फर्स्ट स्टेप, सेकंड इज ऑलवेज द स्लोएस्ट स्टेप, and third is fastest, and fourth is always the last step. So there, in a multi-step reaction mechanism, the rate determining step or rate limiting step is the slowest step in the sequence of elementary steps. The slowest step acts as a bottleneck, as the overall rate of the reaction cannot proceed faster than the rate of this slowest step. Next is द रिएक्शन, उसने यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है NO2 प्लस CO, ये मिलके क्या बनाते हैं NO प्लस CO2। अकर्स कहता है जी इन 2 स्टेप। व्हाट इज द रेट लॉ इक्वेशन फॉर द रिएक्शन। 2 स्टेप उसने दिए हुए हैं, यहाँ पे पहला स्टेप स्लो है और दूसरा फास्ट है। तो डेर एक चीज़ याद रखें, द ओवरऑल रेट ऑफ मल्टी स्टेप रिएक्शन इज डिटरमाइंड बाय इट्स रेट डिटर्मिनिंग स्टेप, द स्लोएस्ट स्टेप इन द गिवन मैकेनिज्म। उसने देखें यहाँ 2 स्टेप दे दिए हैं। पहला स्टेप जो है ना ये रेट डिटर्मिनिंग स्टेप है, दूसरा फास्ट स्टेप। फॉर एन एलिमेंट्री रिएक्शंस लाइक स्टेप 1, द रेट लॉ इज डायरेक्टली डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द स्टोइकियोमेट्रिक ऑफ इट्स रिएक्टेंट्स। इन स्टेप 1 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ NO2 आर रिएक्टिंग। अगर आप देखें यहाँ पे 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स NO2 के रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं। देयरफॉर द रेट लॉ फॉर द ओवरऑल रिएक्शन इज डिटरमाइंड बाय स्टेप 1। देयरफॉर द रेट लॉ फॉर द ओवरऑल रिएक्शन इज डिटरमाइंड बाय step 1. So the exact answer is R is equal to K1 concentration of NO2 raised to the power 2. Next, how does the presence of a catalyst affect the rate of chemical reaction? तो डेयर यहाँ पे देखें, एक कैटलिस्ट वर्क बाय प्रोवाइडिंग एन अल्टरनेटिव रिएक्शन पाथवे विद ए लोअर एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी। बाय लोअरिंग द एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी इट स्पीड अप द रिएक्शन। Crucially, a catalyst affects the activation energy equally for both the forward and reverse reaction. Thus, it increases the rate of both the forward and reverse reaction, leading to faster attainment of equilibrium, but not shifting the equilibrium position itself. So, C option यहाँ पे it increases the rate of both the forward and reverse reaction, ये correct है। Next MCQs is on an energy profile diagram. The presence of catalyst is represented by freezing of water, a lower peak representing the activation energy, a change in the energy level of the reactants or products, or shift in the equilibrium position. So there, the energy profile diagram illustrates the energy change during a reaction. The peak represents the transition state and its height above the reactant represents the activation energy. A catalyst functions by lowering the activation energy, which is visually represented as lower peak on the energy profile diagram. Catalysts do not change the energy level of reactants or products, nor do they shift the equilibrium position. So a lower peak representing the activation energy, that is correct option. Next is the unit of the rate constant K for a reaction depends on, किसके ऊपर ये डिपेंड करते हैं। तो देयर यूनिट्स ऑफ द रेट कांस्टेंट K vary depending on the overall order of the reaction. This is because the units of K must balance the units of rate with the units of the reactants concentration in the rate law. For example, zero order reaction has units of mole per liter per second for K. If first order reaction has units of per second for K, and second order reaction has units of liter per mole per second for K. So the exact answer is overall order of the reaction. There next हमारे पास है first order reaction has a half life of 20 minutes. What is the value of its rate constant K? So there for a first order reaction, the relationship between half life and the rate constant is given by the formula T1 over 2 is equal to 0.693 over K. To find K, rearrange the formula. K is equal to क्या हो जाएगा 0.693 over T1 over 2. गिवन T1 over 2 इज इक्वल टू यहाँ पे कितना है 20 मिनट्स है। तो यहाँ पे K की वैल्यू आप मालूम कर सकते हैं कितनी निकलेगी, वो 0.0347 पर मिनट। तो डैट इज करेक्ट आंसर। तो डेयर ये थे हमारे पास चैप्टर 7 की एक्सरसाइज के MCQs। इसके मुतालिक किसी भी किस्म का कन्फ्यूजन हो तो कमेंट करके आप पूछ सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह हम चैप्टर 7 की एक्सरसाइज के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।